Hello. Happy Sunday. It's a reset day. Probably one of my favorite days of the week. I woke up this morning at 5 a.m. because I'm literally insane and I can't sleep in. But I love it. It's gonna be a good day. Wind down early. This morning I woke up and did all my morning rituals. Had my coconut cult, broke my morning fast with some almonds, made my protein coffee, made my bed, and opened my windows. I'll insert some footage from that. Coffee is now gone. I just washed my face with the Real Active's Pore Power. I will not lie, when I use this, my face actually feels so clean. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my skincare. I spent the morning relaxing. I caught up on some YouTube videos and I really just lounged in bed, kind of on my phone. It's almost 10 now and I have a lagree class at 11 and it's going to kick my butt. I went to obliques in my last two vlogs and that is not proper lagree. Is it a good workout? Absolutely. I think obliques is just called mega former or something like that. Anyways, there's some logistic on what makes it lagree and what doesn't make it lagree, and this is actually lagree. They're both like equally as hard and good workouts, but when I do go to proper lagree, something is just a little spicier. By the way, if you don't use sunscreen every single day, do so. One, because it's like free protection from cancer, but two, if you scar with acne, wearing sunscreen every day helps a lot with that, and I have that problem. Let's do a little eye cream because why not? I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on even though I'm just running errands. I actually made a TikTok about this and how putting a little bit of makeup on before your workout, it sounds so cringe. I know, like I used to hear people say that and I was like, you're a weirdo. Now I do it and I understand the hype and it just makes me feel so good. I said in my TikTok video that like all of a sudden you're a Victoria's Secret supermodel getting ready for the runway, and that's literally how I feel. Like I'm like looking at myself in the mirror like, ooh, like who is that? I'm using this LYS foundation stick. I love to use this as a foundation when I do a full face. You can layer it really well, but I also kind of just use it as a concealer. I mean, the shade match for me is insane, so it's kind of like my go-to product. I think I also want to stop by the farmer's market today. My favorite blush ever. I can't remember if my sister gave this to me or I stole it from her. Either way, I know she's watching this and she'll know the difference, and if I stole it from her, I'm gonna get a really mean text here in a second. I get so many compliments on this though. It's in the shade Cherry, and again, it's really buildable. I have the shortest eyelashes on planet Earth. Boom. It's like barely any makeup, just a little bit of concealer, a little bit of blush, and curling your eyelashes, and you're ready to go. All right, let's go to Pilates. Finished my workout and that was so hard. It wasn't even like cute, it was just difficult. Now I'm gonna walk to the farmer's market, get some steps in, and maybe get like a juice or something. I'm like hungry. Maybe a croissant. The not so fun part of the Sunday reset. Regular gas is $5.89. My boyfriend lives in Texas and he keeps telling me, he's like, the gas is so high, like regular is like $3.40 or something, and I'm like, regular gas wasn't even that cheap in LA before the gas prices went up. A girl's gotta eat. Everyone pray for me, please. I just got home and my HelloFresh was delivered. I'm gonna unpack this, put the produce in the fridge, and then usually with the meat, I'll put it in the freezer. I just cracked open a culture pop. It's good. It doesn't taste as much like soda, more so like sparkling water. I'm gonna throw my sheets in the wash, and then I'm gonna get in the shower, wash my hair, and shave my body. That's why I have a cold drink. I like to bring something cold in the shower so I don't literally faint. I'm gonna get in, and before I start the water, I'm gonna use this Medicube kojic acid. It's called the body peel shot. I made a TikTok about this, and it is the best exfoliant ever. Like, I'm just like repeating everything I said in my TikTok, but it literally, like, when you rub it on your body, your skin just sheds off. It's insane. My skin is so soft after I use it. So I'm gonna use this all over my body and then start the water, rinse it off, shave, wash my hair, do all that, and then I'll be one step closer to my Sunday relaxing evening. I survived. That was a lot. I think that was probably harder than my lagree class. And the fact that I still have to blow dry my hair is mind-boggling. And put my sheets on and fold my clothes. I'm telling you, it's gonna feel so good when all of this is over. It's 3 o'clock now and I'm kind of on a crunch if I want to have time to relax tonight. I just oiled up in my favorite, you know, the EOS body lotion and the EOS body oil. So I'm all cozy. Now I'm gonna get to blow drying because I look crazy. Also, these are the best. Like, I don't put my hair in anything else after I shower. I finally just finished blow drying my hair. I'm so beyond overstimulated right now. Getting a flat iron it really quick. I don't even know if it's fully dry. It's taking so long today. Anyways, I think I'm just gonna straighten my hair, nothing crazy, and be done with it. The hair is finally done, and of course I'm just putting it up in a claw clip. I'm starving though. I'm thawing out this tilapia right now because I'm gonna make a delicious dinner. And then while that thaws, I'm going to put my fresh sheets on the bed and fold some laundry and start another load of laundry. Also, I put too much oil in my hair when I was like doing it. So unfortunately, I just washed all my hair and it's like oily, but at least it's clean. Like I know some people think when their hair's oily, it's dirty. I don't really care. Like, my hair will not be oily probably tomorrow, but like right now it's just like not like bouncy. It's kind of stiff. Again, I don't really care. I'm just happy to have clean hair. Also cleaned all my jewelry. I used this thing that I got off Amazon, and you just put dish soap and warm water and then all your jewelry in. It like shakes it for 7 minutes. Now that I wash my jewelry regularly, I feel like it's disgusting to admit that like I used to not, but this has been life-changing. And like I do it every week or something, and like if I go to the beach, it's like, how was I not ever washing my jewelry or like working out, like my earrings, my bracelet, all that stuff. Like, so if you don't wash your jewelry yet, this is a sign to start doing it. Plus, everything will be more shiny. It's dinner time. I feel like I've been standing all day. My legs feel like they're gonna fall off. We're cooking again. Wait, I saw a girl on TikTok and she was like, she puts tin foil here or something and it like lights her face up. I don't know, you probably need like a light to reflect it. Oh, see? Like that. Okay, before we even get started, I should probably preheat the oven. It's like low-key not all the way thawed, but I think it'll be okay. I don't know what tilapia is supposed to smell like, and I really hope it's supposed to smell like this. I think that's okay. I don't know. Okay, olive oil, drizzling this on the fish. I should have preheated the oven so long ago. I don't know what I was thinking. Now it's time for my summer corn salad. Pouring the corn in. I'm gonna cut these into little halves. I mean, they're already so tiny, but this is literally a random knife I got off Amazon with a sushi making kit. And it actually works really good. It's like, I have 2 sharp knives and this is one of them. Taking these, putting them in there. So the basil's high key dead. But I'm gonna grab a few that are still alive. Chopping the basil. I'm gonna mix this all together. Put a little bit of olive oil, pepper, and again some laugrees. And I top it with feta. She's looking good. Here's the final product. The fish kind of fell apart, but it's beautifully baked, and this is gonna be so good. It's 8:30 now. It's a little while later. Ignore my hair. I have it in my heatless curlers. I have to show you guys maybe in the next vlog how I do this because I do it every single night and it works so well. I've just been relaxing, literally laying in bed. I ate my dinner. I was watching The Pit and I started editing this vlog. I have my retainer in now. I just took my Ollie sleep gummies and I have some Trader Joe's sleep tea. This is like a double whammy, but I did wake up at 5 a.m. this morning and I would prefer that not happen again tomorrow. Anyways, you know where to find me. On Instagram, I do aesthetics every day on my story of day-to-day life. And then TikTok, I also post every day there. I'm starting a new series called I'm Picky, but this made the cut, and I'm showing all my favorite products. And if you follow me on either of those, tell me you came from YouTube because you're a real one. Anyways, the weekly vlogs have been so fun so far. We have a lot in store, so subscribe, stay tuned, and if you made it this far, comment and let me know. My sister's coming next weekend. We have a lot of fun things planned. Probably gonna go to Malibu or something. We always get into something when she's in LA. She is like a carbon copy of me, so there will be 2 of me in the next vlog, which means twice as much energy, twice as much fun. See you then. Mwah.